Hello, I'm Alice from KNDMAX. KNDMAX is your idle manufacturer of wood chipper, log splitter, and min damper. Today, I will show you a most popular gasoline wood chipper. You can choose any brand engines as you like. This wood chipper can fit ATV or UTV with carpet hitch. Here is the 360 degrees rotary discharge chute and adjustable deflector. This wood chipper has large size bucket and hydraulic feeding roller. You can use emergency stop lever or emergency stop switch to stop machines when any emergency. With KNDMAX, we built the future.